Good morning, students. Welcome to your computer class. In the previous class, we had discussed the exercise session of the chapter MS Access, in which we have completed tick the correct answers, true, false, and short notes. So I hope that you have copied that answers in your classwork copy, and rest the left one is the part answer the following question. So today we will be discussing the four questions which are given in your book. Answer the following questions, and then we will start our new chapter. The chapter name is Services of Internet. So we will be discussing about that. So coming to the textbook, what is MS Access? As you have completed the chapter, you have read about MS Access, database, relational database, navigation page. These all things you know very well. So on the first page itself of the chapter 119, page number 119, you will see on the first page itself here, MS Access is a powerful database program for creating database to store information. Here instead of you, we will write we. Okay, we can use MS Access to create, retrieve, manage large or small collection of information. This is your answer number 1. Okay, answer number 1. Okay, so write this in answer number 1, that Microsoft Access is a powerful database program for creating databases to store information, and we can use MS Access to create, retrieve and manage large or small collection of information. So this is your first answer. Now coming to the second question, how will you create database using template? Okay, this is your question. How will you create a database using template? So different templates are given in your book. With the use of them, you can create a database. So page number 122, this page. Okay, this is 122 here. Creating a database using template. Okay, so it has asked that how you can create. So instead of again you, we will write we. Okay, we can create a new database using a template which includes pre-built tables and forms that we, okay, again instead of you, we can use to fill your our, not your, our own data very easily. Okay, so we can create new database using a template which includes pre-built tables, forms that we can use to fill our own data very easily. As per these are the steps given, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and last one is your 4. These 4 steps are there. Okay, to create a database using template. Okay, so remember this. This is your answer number 2. So in this you have to write from here and the steps also till 4. Okay, so this is answer number 2. Now let's see answer number 3. Define a relational database. Okay, what is a relational database? So as you have seen in the starting of the chapter, it is given relational database. Okay, DBMS is there and RDBMS is also there. It relates what? 2 tables. Okay, so page 119. Relational database. MS Access creates a relational database that can contain multiple tables with links between them. Okay, MS Access creates a relational database that contains multiple tables, links between them. This is your answer number 3. But if in the examination it have comes with 2 marks or 3 marks, then you have to give the example also. So for example, we can make one table for customer that will store customers contact information, and another table for orders that will store information about the order placed. Okay, so till here you can write your answer with the example you write, because if in the examination it comes with 2 or 3 marks, then you have to give the example also. Okay, so this is answer number 3. So starting from MS Access till placed you have to write. I hope you all getting it. Now let's see the answer of the last question. What is the use of navigation pane? Okay, as you can hide or enable your navigation pane. So page 123, changing the navigation pane. You can display or hide the navigation pane, but it has asked that what is the use. So from here you will write the navigation pane enables us, not you, us to view and manage database objects such as tables, queries and reports and forms. This is the last answer of your chapter. Navigation pane enables us to view, manage database objects such as tables, queries, reports and forms. Okay students, this is answer 4. So as we had completed all the things in the chapter, so this chapter is completed. I hope you all have done all the things which I have mentioned over here. Okay, so now I am going to begin with a new chapter. Okay, that is your services of internet. What are the services provided by your internet? First of all, we are going to know that what is internet, a small introduction about internet. Then World Wide Web, www, about this. Protecting yourself on the web, how you can protect yourself from the web. Entertaining on the web, sharing photos on the web, social networking, blogging, WhatsApp Messenger, web app, video conferencing, FTP and e-commerce. These are the very important topic which you must know. Okay, these are the services provided by the internet. So firstly, if we see the first topic, that is your internet. Okay, as you all know that what is internet, the full form is international network. It is also called as net because it is also, some definitions are given that network of network is known as internet. So again a question comes, what is network? When more than 2 computers are connected with each other, okay, they form a network. Okay, they form a network. And network of networks means there is a one network, then second, then third, and millions and trillions of network in which number of computers are connected, and that network of network is known as internet. So here the line is given, the internet is a vast worldwide network that enables you to read the latest news, conduct research, shop, communicate, listen to music, play games, access a wide variety of information. Means with the internet, which is a worldwide network, it enables us that we can read the latest news and conduct researches also. Nowadays we are doing shopping, communicating with each other, listening music, playing games, and access a wide variety of information. Whatever information we want from the, means about the subject or about related topics, we get the information through the internet. Internet is one of the major reason why people buy computer these days. Okay, this is the major reason why people buying computers these days. So through the internet, if you see, you have the access to information from all around the globe. Okay, from all around the globe you have access on the internet, and that's why people are buying computers. because internet is the major reason. Without internet, nothing is possible. No one can search anything. You can't get the latest information about what is happening in or if you want to search some information about some topics, you can't get it. You can send to others and meet new friends on the internet. Okay, the messages with the help of email you can send to others. You can meet new friends on the internet. So the main advantage of the internet is that we can access it from a computer anywhere. You see, internet nowadays we are sitting at home, or we are traveling, or we are somewhere else, or out of the country. What happened? We can use internet, and even we can communicate through our friends. We can access it from anywhere, at home, at workplace, at school, and at a restaurant. See, these are the common places where we usually work. So from these spaces, it is not a barrier that you have to sit on a place and you can use internet there only, or you are sitting at home then you can't use internet. No, you can use internet facility anywhere. Internet consists of many local, regional, national, and international networks. Means it has a network from local area also, regionals, nationals, and international. It has a vast range. Although each one of these networks on the internet is owned by a public or private organization. Means these are owned by some public or private organization, like BSNL is there. It has a network. It's a government one. But Jio is a private one. Airtel is a private organization. No single organization owns or controls the internet. Means there is not a single organization which controls the internet. They are owned by a public or a private organization. Means mix up of that also, semi-government, you can say. Each organization on the internet is responsible only for maintaining its own network. Means whatever be the organization providing you the internet services, they are responsible only for maintaining their own network, not for others. Jio is not responsible for the signal not coming in Airtel. Jio is responsible for his own network. BSNL is not responsible for other networks. No one knows exactly how many computers are connected to the internet. It is certain, however, that these numbers are in millions and are increasing at a rapid pace. Nowadays, people are connecting to the internet very fastly, very rapidly. Even they don't know, no one knows about that how many computers are connected to the internet. It can be millions, trillions, more than that. Success in the business world today requires the knowledge of internet, because everything is done on internet, everything is digitalized. So if you don't know about internet or online things, you can't be able to success in your business world. So all the things are what happening online, the transactions, the export imports, the document papers are digitalized. So in the absence of which you will miss, in the absence of which you will miss tremendous source of goods, services, information, goods, services, information, and communication. In these things you will lack. Okay. So if you don't have the internet knowledge, then the source of goods, from where they are coming, the services, information, communication, these all things you are lacking behind. Okay. So this is a short information about internet, what it does. Now, things you can do on the internet. Let's see what are the things we can do on internet. Okay. Everything that you do in the real world has an equivalent in the online world. Means whatever thing we do in the real world has an equivalent, means a balanced one in the online world. This includes reading news, searching information, chatting with other people, making friends, sharing data and information, shopping, banking, playing games, and listening to music or watching movies. So these things we already every people used to do. They search about the news, they search some information. Different chatting sites are there, chat with the peoples. They make friends online, sharing our data and information through email, through text messages, shopping like Amazon, Flipkart, Mantra, buying and selling of products, banking, sending money, Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, even the banking has their own banking app, playing games, okay, COC is there, PUBG is there. Nowadays the students are playing very much, the children are addicted to it. Listening to music every time you download a music or put a caller tune, watching movies. No one in the period of lockdown, no one is going to the cinemas. They are just downloading the movies from their phone. So in these all things, internet is responsible. Because if internet is not there, you can't do all these things. So the first thing which is stay informed. The internet gives you access to information on any subject of interest. This makes the internet a valuable research tool. Most print sources such as newspaper and magazines have websites. Also, a number of magazines exist only online. Earlier, what happened? We used to purchase the newspaper or magazines. But nowadays, what happened? Even if we want some news about Abdul Kalam, Gandhi ji, or about some books, we just go on Google and write information about this person, this book. What happens? So internet has become a valuable research tool. And even the print sources like newspaper and magazines have websites. India Today, Aaj Tak, these also are having websites. Now you can directly go on the website and read the news. Find out the amazing, means the news headlines. A number of magazines. Nowadays they are just online. You don't get in the market. You will get it online. So means stay informed. For getting updated, stay informed, we are using internet, which gives us a access to information on any subject of interest. Now second one is your conduct research. You can use the internet's search facility to research on any topic you think of. This search information can help you in school projects, homework or presentation at work. The teacher has given you a project to write about some people or write about the book, or you have got a science fiction about the leaves you have to write. How will you get it? You just go on the internet and start searching about your research. You have got 4 leaves, even you don't know about the name of the leaf. You will just see the images and then you will write the name, and after that about them, how they are originated, where they are found. Okay, so you will search about the information. Homeworks, presentation, if you want to give presentation about any topic, you search on the internet about the latest things about that topic. Okay, so you can conduct research. Next, your email, electronic mail. The electronic mail enables us to exchange messages with people around the world, including friends, family members, colleagues, customer, and even people we meet on the internet. So this email enables us to exchange our messages with people around the world, including friends and other. We meet different peoples, friends, family members, the colleague of our officers who are working with us, the customers. On the customer care, you see, we are sending mails to the customers or receiving the mails from the customers, and even the people we meet on the internet. Sometimes we meet new people on the internet. So electronic mail is very much helpful for us. Email is an existing feature of the internet as we can send and receive messages over a long distance also. Okay. If you, it doesn't mean that you are sending the email to your just closest city. You can send the email around the world wherever you want, long distances. So on the top of that, it is quite fast, easy, very economical as well. Okay, very cost effective because it doesn't cost much. Like if you are sending with a post letter, it will consist a lot of money. Okay, you have to pay, but in email you don't have to pay much. Another also, it is quite fast, just a second you click on the send button and it reaches to the other place, and the other end the person receives it. Okay, so this is what you have seen about the electronic mail. So these are the things you can do in the internet, like you have informed, means updated one, conduct researches, email, many other things are also there. Now next, entertainment. Okay, what are the things about entertainment? The internet offers many different forms of entertainment such as radio and television, broadcasts, video and music. You can find pictures from the latest films, watch live interviews of your favorite celebrities, and listen to the music, and even before it is available in stores. Okay? So the internet is providing us many different forms of entertainment place. Radio, television, broadcasts, like we are just watching televisions, radios, video and music. These also, even we can find pictures from the latest films, was live interviews of your celebrities. Earlier times it was not possible. Because of internet only you can see the interviews also, even the old musics also uploaded on the internet on the YouTube. You can listen music, and even before it is available in stores. You can see, you have to find some stores for that to find out the CD or DVDs of the videos. Okay, now programs. You can find thousands of programs to be used on your computer, such as word processor, drawing programs, games, accounting programs. These are the things. You can find thousands of programs, just like word processors we are using, drawing programs we are using, games we are using, accounting programs like tally software is there. These all things we are using in our programs. Next one is buy and sell. Okay, you can order products on the internet while sitting at home. You can purchase items such as books, flowers, music, CDs, pizza, computer, used cars, all the things whatever you want. Now internet has made it very easy for us. We are ordering products while sitting at home. Swiggy, Zomato, Amazon, Flipkart, these all are there. Now we are purchasing items such as books, flowers, music CDs, pizza, computer, even used cars, used bikes in OLX, Quicker. These are the apps which are providing us, but the source is what? Internet. Without internet, it is not possible to do all these things. Okay. Now, chat. Chat. The chat feature allows you to exchange the typed message with another person on the internet. So this feature allows you to exchange the text messages, okay, the typed messages, the text messages with another person on the internet. A message we send will instantly appear on the other person's computer, and you can chat with a person or a group at a point of time. Means in a single time you can chat with number of people in a group or with a single people. So chat feature allows us to share our emotions or feelings in the form of text to the other people. Socialize with others. You can join discussion groups, okay, on the internet and meet people around the world with similar interest. Now there are some sites which are providing the groups for discussion about some topics. Like Twitter is there are number of people giving their views, advices on a topic. Meet people around the world with similar interests. Those who are having the same interest in about the same topic, they are providing the views. With them you can meet around. You can ask questions, discuss problems, and read interesting stories. Okay, there is a portal. Okay, you can say a forum is there. A forum, they create a forum. In this they create a group, and where the people ask the questions, discuss about some topics, discuss about their problems, read interesting stories. These are thousands of discussion groups on the topics such as food, humor, music, photography, politics, religion, sports, movies, and many others. So these are the different topics on which the people used to discuss. About the food, music, photography, politics is the major topic, religion, sports, movies, and many others. Now, next one is share information. You can use the web to create and share information. For example, if you see, you can create your own website and share any detailed information through it. Means if you have created a website, or you are creating a web page, or you have created or wants to share your information, then you can create your own website, and there you can share in detailed the information about your topic people used to see. Play online games. On the internet you can play different types of online games. You can solve a puzzle, fly a plane, race a car, go on an adventure, play football, baseball, battle with aliens, play backgammon and checkers, means check, COC, PUBG, car racing, Mario, fighting games, action games, puzzled games. These all games you can play online with the help of internet. So these are the things which are provided by internet. As you have seen, these things you can do on the internet. Okay, so I think these are very much harmful for us. The internet began as a small project named ARPANET, okay, which eventually evolved to the internet that we use today. Interconnection of different computers with each other to share data and resources is known as network. Means number of computers are connected together to share information and data. It's known as network. Most of the internet data travels along a collection of telephone lines and cables that can span the world, and this collection of lines and cables make up so-called backbone of the internet. If these lines are not available, these cables are not available, then the data cannot travel. Data travels along this backbone at nearly the speed of light. So you can usually access data on the other side of the world in seconds. Okay, the speed of light is very fast. So on the speed of that only the network signal travels. And that's why you doesn't see that in a second a people gets a message or the text message or the documents which you are sending from the email or with the help of internet, it received by them. Okay, so this was about internet. Now again a major topic comes here which is very important to us: World Wide Web, WWW. Okay, so the World Wide Web, or simply the web, is a massive storehouse of information that resides in the computers called web server, located all over the world. Each web server hosts one or more websites, and each of these sites contains millions of documents called web pages. So the World Wide Web is also called the web, and it is a massive storehouse of the information. It keeps many informations. You can say massive means huge, that resides in the computers. That is called web servers. So web servers have that information located all over the world, and each web server hosts one or more websites. Okay, more than one more websites they are having, and each those sites contain millions of documents, that is called web pages. Okay, so the website contains web pages. and these sites and web pages are stored on web servers, and web servers have the information of the world level. Okay, and that web has the massive storage of information, okay, which is sites in the computer, and that is called a web server. Okay, so next, the different methods of navigation through pages of information is called browsing and surfing. These all we will discuss in our next class. Okay, till then revise the chapter and whatever question answers we have done, okay, do it in your classwork copies. Okay, thank you.